Today I'll show you AI Cash App review. Is AI Cash App real or fake? The AI Cash App is one of those platforms that markets itself as a quick and easy way to earn money through simple tasks, games, referrals, and so-called AI features. On the surface, the app looks appealing, especially since it promises daily earnings and instant withdrawals. However, once you start digging into user experiences and independent reviews, a different picture emerges, one that leans much more toward the app being misleading than being a reliable source of income. A major issue that keeps coming up is the withdrawal process. Many users report that while the app lets them accumulate points or money on screen, when it comes to cashing out, the process either stalls indefinitely or introduces new hurdles. In some cases, balances remain in pending status forever, and in others, the app suddenly requires extra verification steps or even fees before releasing funds. For most people, those withdrawals never actually arrive, which has led to growing frustration and accusations of it being a scam. Another red flag is the lack of transparency around who is behind the app. The developer information is vague, with no clear company details, no verifiable contact information, and no established background that would inspire trust. This lack of accountability is particularly concerning when dealing with financial promises. Adding to that, the claims of easy money fit the classic pattern of get rich quick schemes, which are almost always too good to be true. It is true that the app exists on app stores, and some users have reported being able to do small tasks and see earnings recorded in the app. However, credible proof of successful withdrawals is virtually absent. Screenshots and testimonials that appear online are often generic and unconvincing. Taking everything into account, the AI Cash App is far more likely to be a fake or, at best, an unreliable platform that wastes your time without giving real financial rewards. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.